24th of September, a significant day since the German politician has made a statement. A lot of people are speculating, a lot of people are saying a lot of things, and not many things are particularly well suited in terms of like biblical prophecy. The best possible route you want to take is to go through the biblical prophecy and understand what exactly is happening as per the Bible. If you want to carry on and with the prophecy and want to see God's events, you must keep looking at Jerusalem. So what is happening on 24th of September? It's the day of Rosh Hashanah, or the day of Feast of Trumpets, which actually, according to the Jewish tradition, it's the beginning of a new era, and it's their civil new year. So as per biblical prophecy concern, it just ushers in the new era, new thing. It is also exactly a day after the equinox. So equinox is falling on 23rd of September. So that is quite significant. Israel has received a delivery of red heifers. These are bulls that are of pure red color and unyoked, never unblemished, never been used for any hard work. So what they do is, in the old times, they were used to burn one of those bulls and then use their ashes to sanctify something. So since the time of Moses, there have been only 9 red heifers that were used. So you're talking about a long time ago. And the 9th one was used before Christ. So it's been more than 2,000 years. They weren't able to find any. And the timing of finding a bull now, it's just significant. So Jewish community, they're preparing to kickstart the building of the third temple process from 24th of September onwards during the fall feasts. We're seeing that King Charles will be coronated in the springtime. So he's going to time it as per the death and the resurrection of Jesus Christ, Good Friday, and the resurrection day. And that's also the time of Hebrew or biblical feast of Passover and the first fruits as well. So so that is also very, very significant. And I believe next year during the same fall days, during September, October, we'll see the first stones being laid, etc. And so next year is very, very significant. Temple will be rebuilt, Antichrist will start emerging, and all of other things will start happening. So might not be this year, but it will just kickstart something very significant according to the biblical prophecy. God bless.